Now I'm going to show you the fun crop tool. Let's have a look at it. As you can see over here, right under our lasso tool here, we have the crop tool and the hotkey C. So if we hit it here, what we can do is we come over here, and let's say we've already got something selected. Let's deselect that. And let's say we want to just cut this picture down. Like, I don't like the boat. So to get rid of it, we'll come up here and create a square like so. And there you go. All the grayed out pieces will be the pieces that will be removed from this photo. So we can actually grab these control points here and move it around to get a better picture. Let's see. Let's make this look very... There we go. Now I don't like that. It's a little bit off balance, so I'll come up here to the top. Oops. Well, actually, you can click on the inside and just move it around like that. So let's grab it on the top here and move it down. Nice panoramic. Now all we got to do to finish it off is hit Enter. And there it is, our nice new cropped photo. Oh, let's hit Command 0, bring it up some. And there it is. So play around with your crop tool, have fun with it, and enjoy.